Welcome to Ingleside Reviews. If you're excited about seasonal recipes and want tips on how to enjoy autumn's delicious and nutritious foods, be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and join our community for more healthy meal ideas. Autumn brings a variety of delicious fruits, vegetables, and greens that are perfect for hearty soups and stews. In today's video, we'll explore why seasonal foods are so nutritious and how you can create a fall grocery list that fits your budget while boosting your health. Have you ever wondered why certain foods are more available during certain times of the year? The mild days and cooler nights from March to June create the ideal growing conditions for fruits, vegetables, and greens. This weather allows these plants to develop richer nutrients and even reduces the need for pesticides. Autumn offers a colorful array of seasonal produce, which is perfect for maintaining a diet rich in vitamins and minerals. Some of the top autumn fruits include avocado, banana, kiwi, apple, and grape. On the vegetable side, you've got pumpkins, sweet potatoes, carrots, and beets. For greens, think parsley, leeks, arugula, and broccoli. All great options for salads and fresh pasta dishes. Now, let's talk about how to incorporate these seasonal foods into your meals. For breakfast, try fruits like bananas or pears to start your day with energy. For lunch, pair autumn vegetables like pumpkin or eggplant with protein sources like pork or grilled chicken. In the afternoon, a simple fruit salad or an orange cake makes for a perfect snack. And for dinner, nothing beats a hearty soup made from sweet potatoes, carrots, or yams to keep you warm and cozy. If you're active, seasonal produce can also be adapted to your fitness routine. Pre-workout, you can fuel up with banana pancakes. Post-workout, reach for papaya or apples with oats, or stick to nutrient-rich options like sweet potatoes and broccoli. And don't forget healthy fats like avocado to support recovery. To make the most of autumn's harvest, it's important to plan your grocery shopping. Start by thinking about your meals for the week, then categorize your list into proteins, fruits, vegetables, and other essentials. Setting a budget will help you stay on track and avoid overspending. With this approach, you'll have everything you need for nutritious meals while staying within budget. Embracing the flavors of autumn through seasonal foods not only enhances your meals, but also supports a nutritious and balanced diet. Whether you're preparing breakfast, lunch, or dinner, Autumn's Bounty offers a wealth of options to keep your meals varied and satisfying. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone looking for healthy meal ideas, and visit our website for more tips on seasonal cooking. Don't forget to explore our other YouTube channels in the Ingleside Reviews Network for more great content across different categories. Follow us on social media, and consider supporting us on Patreon for exclusive perks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.